Namaste and greetings everyone. Today I will tell you the sequence if you are specifically looking for weight loss. What should be the sequence of your physical postures, asanas, when you just begin. So first, as I have made a video before, first you must start with your prayers, sitting in either Sukhasana or Padmasana, whichever is comfortable for you. And while staying, I'll quickly give you a demonstration of each. This is Sukhasana and this is Padmasana, the lotus pose. So whichever comfortable pose you feel like, be in that. Just do prayer to thank all your mentors, gods. So after your prayer, you can, while sitting here, you can do some minor warm-up exercises like this. Few rotations, 5 times back, 5 times front, and repeat 3 cycles of each. Stretch your arms up and down. You can do this for around 3 to 10 times. After that, come on your downward facing dog or mountain pose and try to do some kicks like this. And remember, this is just for the warming up. Once you feel you are slightly warmed up, you can then begin with your, one more. You can do these butterflies also for around 50 to 100 counts. This is pretty simple in case, and I have made a video how is it going to be more comfortable if you're looking for it. So you can do this for 50 to 100 times, and all these minor warming up exercises will give your body to a good start, and then you can start with your sun salutations. I have made a video on sun salutations. So if you are specifically looking for weight loss and if you are a beginner, then at least start with 2 to 3 sets of sun salutations. And once you are comfortable with sun salutations and your stamina has built up, then at least reach up to 12 sets. So after those 3-4 sets or up to 12 sets of sun salutations, because sun salutation is all about front and back. Okay, so your front bending and back, it is all about front and back. So once you are done with your sun salutations, it is very important to give some movement to your side body. So for your side movement of your body, you need to do this and just twist your body like this and repeat this cycle for at least 3 to 4 times. After this, open your legs. We'll do Trikonasana, triangle pose, and from here you do this, and for this also repeat 3 to 4 cycles. Once you are done with this, because we are looking for weight loss, we definitely need to work on our core, because this is the area where everyone accumulates fat, and upper body also. Somebody who is looking forward to how to lose lower body fat, there is also one specific asana I'll tell you. But to do all these asanas, you need to excel these asanas. So somebody who knows how to practice each and every asana, it would be easier for them to follow the sequence which I'm telling you in this video. But somebody who is completely unaware about the asanas, I am making specific videos for each asana, how you should be performing that, and those all are for beginners. So I would recommend you to just go through this video and then first learn the right sequence of those asanas and then start performing them. So after your side twists, after sun salutation, side twist, I would want you to do plank for 3 times. If you are a beginner, start with 10 seconds, 15 seconds. If you gain that strength, go up to 30 seconds and 1 minute, and do this repetition for 3 times. So plank, when I say plank, you will be on your hands like this, and you will stay here for 5, 10, 15, 30, 40 or 1 minute or up to 2 minutes, whatever your limit is. Okay, so once you're done with your 30 second, take a break. And I'm telling you, if you reach up to 30 seconds, whatever your limit is, do 3 repetitions. Once you're done with these 3 repetitions, take little break in between, because your arm and core would be, and when I say little break, it should not be beyond 5 to 10 seconds. It should not be that you're just gone for a stroll for 10 to 15 minutes and then say, okay, I've taken a break. No. So just 10 to 15 seconds break, and then get back on your mat. And then, because we are looking for weight loss, I want you to go on this and hold this here. Hold this here as per your capacity, but make sure you are holding it from both the sides for the equal duration. Okay? Similarly, from the other side. And when you are doing this, if you are losing your balance, make sure you are putting one leg ahead like this, and then holding it here. Your weight of your body should be on your arm, and this portion should be carrying your weight of your body. I'll show it from this side. Hold it like this, and body weight should be on your arm and this portion of your body. Okay? So once you are done with 3 cycles each of this side plank, I would want you to go on the sitting asanas. So while sitting, we'll do Padhastasana, wherein you would try to hold your feet from your hands, and you will try to touch your head on your knees. So breathe in, and while breathing out, you will go down. And repeat this cycle 4 to 5 times, and try to hold. So more you hold, more pressure will be on your hamstrings and your stomach. You don't even realize it is putting pressure on your stomach, but it is also very helpful in your weight loss. And this is kind of, after all that extensive weight loss previous asanas, this is kind of cooling down. Then you come here on Vajrasana, sit like this, and put your thumbs in and roll your fingers over thumb and make a fist like this, and join them like this and put them in your stomach. And while breathing out, you go down and hold here. And while breathing in, come up and wait. So along with this, you can perform many other asanas. So it completely depends on your time and how much do you really want to do. So for little back bend, I would show you wherever your body permits, just hold there. And once you do this, you will feel a great stretch in your core. So wherever you can hold and then get back and sit down. So repeat this cycle also for 3 to 4 times. After this, you will get back on your front body. So once you are here, we will do Bhujangasana, wherein you will put pressure on your arms and core. And this is, while you go up, it is breathe in. While you go down, it is breathe out. So repeat this cycle also for around 3 to 4 times. Once you are done with this, and your body would start, slightly cooling down. For people who are specifically looking for weight loss from this portion, lower belly portion up here, from this portion to legs, so what you have to do is, you sit in this Vajrasana position. So while sitting here, you have to go back. So just try to hold here. So when you are a beginner, you will feel extreme stretch here in your thighs. So once you start doing this, increase the duration. So, and this is just for the beginners. Once you are comfortable here, try to take your body lower and then just simply go down. And once you are comfortable here, just stay here in this position for 1 to 2 minutes, and this will come with practice. This will not come very easily because it gives a very good stretch to your which is shown upper, especially thighs. It gives you a very good stretch there, and it is very good for weight loss from the lower part of your body. And if you are not able to get up from here directly, then you can just open your legs from left and right and then get up. And if you are able to get up from here like this, well and good. And after this, you just go like this with the child pose and few seconds and then get back. So more or less I have covered few of the weight losing asanas for you all in this video. I hope this video is going to help you all. And once you are done with all your asanas, just again sit in your any comfortable pose. Just thank all your gods or your mentors, teachers, and then you can close your asanas and practice. In case you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And if you want me to make some specific videos on some specific asanas, please let me know. I would love to create those videos for you. Thank you and namaste.